Art must go on, just as music and other creative arts must go on. We cannot afford the complete loss of what civilization has gained for man. There's no doubt but that art is a great incentive to carry on, especially in times such as these.
As important as Laurent was as a pioneering American modernist sculptor who introduced direct carving, he's not as well known as he deserves to be. Laurent's carved chest is an extraordinary piece carved out of the hard wood of black walnut. Really shows the beginning of this young modernist artist's move toward introducing the direct carving style. I think he really approached it as a very personal, almost autobiographical piece.
When I was a boy in France, I met Hamilton Field, the well-known American collector, critic, and painter. Field saw some of my work and invited me to come to America and live at his home while I continued studying. I had come over here from Brittany, France, a boy of 11. I decided on my first evening here that America was the place where I wanted to live and make my life.
You'll see at the top this beautiful view of figures strolling along Brooklyn Heights with the East River in the background. And then just below that is a sweeping and beautiful view of the Brooklyn Bridge, which was clearly seen from the Field family home.
My friend Field took me for a trip on the Fulton Ferry running from Brooklyn to New York, the tide taking us on the Brooklyn Bridge. I shall never forget my first sight of the bridge and lower Manhattan, all lit up with its gigantic buildings, which even then seemed to reach almost into the skies.
Many of the panels feature scenes that have to do with coast of Maine. This beautifully carved train, which was the train that one took to southern Maine. Hamilton Easter Field, along with Laurent, visited Ogunquit, Maine, and in 1911, in the same year that Robert completed this chest of drawers, they would found the now famous Ogunquit School and immediately attracted leading New York-based modern artists. And they created these wonderful small fishing shacks, which they then furnished with locally acquired Americana in the form of, quilts and hooked rugs, early American furniture, American folk art objects, weather vanes, carvings, decoys. The new direct carving tradition was a complete rebellion against the sculpture of the past. In folk art, the narrative, the emotion, the family unity in the paintings, the direct approach of the painting style. It was very appealing to modern artists who were really seeking inspiration from art that was more visceral and direct. The chest really it's kind of a free-flowing, inspired at the moment work of art, but also inspired by folk art of the past and all manner of ancient art. Laurent is really celebrated as one of the most important collectors of American folk art. He was a catalyst for gathering modern artists at the Ogunquit School and continued to produce really innovative, cutting-edge modernist sculpture. This influence and exchange between early American folk art and modernism came to define American modern art. And vice versa, these modern artists are responsible for defining what we think of American folk art as being today.
And yet today, with America's diversified population, made up of people from all lands, shall we uphold the traditions of a democracy for a free country, or shall we succumb to the dictators?
Quite true, Mr. Marshall, and I believe we are united in our desire to save America. At last, we are thinking of our neighbors' needs. Only united people can survive. A united people firm in the faith of their way of life.